In this video, I will show you how to get points on SHEIN. Open SHEIN. In the top left corner, you will see this mail icon. Right beside it, you can see the calendar icon. Simply click on it. Here you can do daily check-ins. So today I have already checked in, and if I check in tomorrow, I'll be able to earn 3 more points, and it consecutively goes on. Next way to earn points in SHEIN is to simply click on me in the bottom right. Here, go to the setting gear in the top right. Then click on manage my account. Here you can see email and unverified. Simply click on it. If you click on verify and go to your email and verify your account, you can earn up to 100 SHEIN points. Next way to earn SHEIN is to simply purchase items from here, and after that, for every dollar that you spent on eligible items, you can earn 1 SHEIN points. The next way to earn SHEIN point is to do product review. Open SHEIN and go to the me section in the bottom right corner. Here under my orders, you will find review. Click on it. Now the products that you ordered and received will appear here. You can simply click on the item. You can add the review. If you add the photo, you can earn more points. The more detailed information that you put in the review, including size information, then you will be able to earn more points. The next way to earn SHEIN point is to simply go to Instagram or Facebook or any social media platform. Then in the search bar, search for SHEIN. Click on SHEIN official. After that, simply follow this account, and from here, keep on checking in, join their live stream, and get informed about their giveaways, outfit contest, and that is how you can earn SHEIN points. You can use those points during checkout and you will be able to get a direct discount. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.